Welcome to Module 3 Assessment. You got to this video by clicking on Module 3 Overview Watch. During this module, you are going to complete the lesson plan revision of Stage 2. You're going to post to the discussion board on the post discussion board as an assessment, and you're going to create discussion board questions as an assessment for the lesson you are designing. Click the Next button. This is a video on assessment overview. It gives you practical applications of assessment in the online environment. For those of you that are visual learners and auditory, you can choose to listen and watch the video, or you can simply click on the PowerPoint and read through the key points. I do highly encourage watching the video as there's additional information added as the presenter is speaking. Click the Next button. Going to read about assessment blooms and DOK. Again, if there's a magnifying glass, you can expand it directly within Canvas. Otherwise, click on the link to take you to the website. Looking at choosing the right assessment tool. A variety of assessment tools are listed for you here to begin thinking about how you are going to revise that assessment that you have created for your face-to-face lesson plan. Then you can watch online learning assessment ideas. This video came out just as the pandemic hit, and it has amazing assessment ideas within it. We know that it's a longer video, but highly encouraged because of the wealth of information that's available in it. Click the Next button. This assignment is a lesson plan revision of Stage 2. There are links for multiple digital tools that you can use to create different assessments. You are actually going to create that assessment and post it here. So if you are using a Google form, then create that assessment within that Google form and post the link to the Google form here. You'll simply submit your assignment by clicking Submit Assignment and then copying and pasting it into the text entry, or you can upload a file. It is certainly preferred that you copy and paste into the text entry box. Click Next. You then have the discussion board post. To post to the discussion board, please make sure that you read the question and that it's not asking you to go to a different site. In this case, you're posting directly to the discussion board. Click on the reply. Post your reply or write your reply and then click Post Reply, and then be sure to come back and respond to 2 of your colleagues. Click the Next button. You're then going to create 3 discussion board questions for the lesson you have developed. If you click on this link, it's going to provide you different types of questions and way that you can ask them. Remember, you're using the discussion board questions as an assessment, so you want to make sure you're asking those questions to push students to deeper learning. Click Next. You'll then see Module 4 appear, and that tells you are done with the work in Module 3. If you are confused on how to access the discussion board to go back and respond to 2 of your colleagues, you can look along the left-hand side, click on Discussions, and then click on Discussion Board as an assessment. And that will take you directly to the discussion board to be able to respond to your colleagues. Thank you and have a wonderful Module 3.